Vesta, the goddess of the hearth and the sacred fire, was one of the most revered deities in the Roman pantheon. As the guardian of the household and communal fire, she symbolized the protection and warmth of the home, as well as the continuity of family life. Vesta's flame represented the warmth and stability essential for daily life, and her worship reminded Romans of the importance of the home as the center of family unity and society. The Temple of Vesta, located at the heart of Rome, housed the sacred fire that was never to be extinguished. Cared for by the Vestals, a group of priestesses devoted solely to keeping the flame alive, this fire symbolized the vitality and security of Rome. The Vestals were chosen at a young age and dedicated their lives to Vesta, taking vows of chastity and committing themselves to serve the goddess and the city with devotion. For the Romans, Vesta was not represented by statues or images, as other gods were, but symbolized by the fire itself. This reinforced her sacred nature and the intimate essence of her worship, as Vesta's flame was considered essential and present in every Roman household. Families kept their own household fire, an extension of the goddess's sacred fire, and offered her prayers and small offerings to ensure protection and harmony in the home. Vesta was a peaceful and reserved goddess, focused on protection and well-being, unlike other deities with more active or warlike roles. Her worship was one of Rome's oldest traditions, reflecting the value of preserving the home as a sacred space. She was invoked during family celebrations and renewal rituals, reinforcing the importance of maintaining balance and peace within each household. The figure of Vesta represents the constancy and tranquility of the home, reminding the Romans of the importance of nurturing family relationships and protecting what was closest to them. She is a goddess who inspires respect and reverence, symbolizing safety, peace, and community. For the Romans, Vesta was the heart of Rome, and her fire was a reminder of the warmth and unity that should always dwell in every family.